What room were you in? 208.
Yeah, she's always losing her keys. So.
Listen, I thought she had brought the camera for that performance.
Okay. And look at the one.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
They didn't have any pictures, nothing. So I had to make them up. Okay, thank you. 518. Miss Keisha.
What floor are y'all on?
I'm down here.
Peace, man. To the next episode.
Wait. Boy.
What?
Psych.
That wasn't funny.
It was funny.
That wasn't funny. Is anybody laughing? I didn't do nothing.
You wasting our Waffle House time.
Okay. You don't need to be eating no Waffle House anyway. We need to go to some,
Stop, Kelton, so we can go take a shower.
I didn't touch it. I did not touch it.
You put, what you say?
Nothing.
Oh, you just got punked by a girl.
Stop!
Hey! She needs to shut it up. Now look how slow it's going.
No, seriously, stop. I'm gonna push the alarm. I'm gonna ring the alarm.
Wait, are we on 2?
We're on 2.
I don't know what y'all
No,
I'm not touching nothing.
You so
Dude, go to your room.
Okay.
Seriously, Kelton, stop. It's not funny anymore.
Because now it's broke.
Oh, you should have pressed it.